Welcome to the demo of Ylytic platform. Ylytic is an influencer intelligence platform that helps businesses with influencers and campaigns complete insights and data from discovery to sales tracking. So let me log in into the platform. We have different tabs available here like discovery, my creator, campaign, collection and link tracking. Let me start with discovery module. Here you can find influencer for a campaign based on 20 plus different criteria. We have maintained a large database of millions of active curated creators. We have different categories available for searching and filtering creators like platform. Currently we are supporting YouTube and Instagram, and very soon we'll be adding TikTok, LinkedIn and Twitter as well. You can also use filter like tier, engagement rate, categories. We have 25 plus categories that classify creator based on their content. Then you can also use filter of country and city. Let me take you all the filters available. Like contact, if someone has published the email ID or phone number, you'll be able to search that. You can also search the creator by their follower, average views, profile quality score, and effective follower rate. You can also search the creator by their gender and age group as well. We have something called search and bio filter. This is like a keyword search that let you search for any keyword in creator bios for letting you search very specific niche as well. For example, if I search crypto, then these are the creator came which have done some kind of work in crypto. You can also outreach to these creators using our outreach feature. You can draft an email or insert a Google form link to collect some information. This helps you to reach out to these creators in just one click. So this was the discovery module. Let me take you to my creator. This is a module where your creator data reside. Here you can see the detail of all the creator that you have added to be analyzed. You can add creator not just from our discovery database, but you can also add your own list of handle one by one or in bulk using a CSV template. Once added, you can look at the deep dive insight of these creator. Let me show one of the creators insight. So this is the creator. For this creator, you can see different categories, their location, email ID if they have published publicly, then their estimated pricing, what they are charging. In terms of their basic stat, you can see the number of follower, engagement rate, and effective follower rate, which is the percentage of followers who are regularly viewing their content. This metric become important as these days only a fraction of followers regularly view a creator's content. Then here you can see profile quality score where we compare this creator with other creator of similar size and give them a relative score based on the engagement rate, effective follower and posting consistency. So you can find the score here is 92, which is excellent. Then here you can see the engagement rate graph of this creator and how their followers trending over time. You can also look at the audience, which is also a very important part because brand wants to know about the audience of the creator, which help them to decide which creator to choose for which campaign. You can see the gender split of the audience, age group split, the interest of the audience. You can see top cities where the creator's audience belong. You can also check what percent of audience is authentic. So for this creator, around 21.1% of audience is fake. In the comment sentiment analysis, you can also find what percent of comment they have received recently are positive and neutral and negative. In the engagement tab, you can see the overall engagement stats. You can see engagement of different types of posts like reels, stories, and etc. You can also see the performance of creators' paid or sponsored posts. We identify promotional and paid posts of the creator and show their performance as this is critical for marketers. Then you can look at their posting activities, their recent posts, and also the hashtag they have mentioned, brands they have mentioned, and the look-alike creators for any specific creator. Then let us go to My Campaign tab. Here you can track influencer campaign. All you have to do is to create a campaign and click on the campaign, fill all the basic detail and post detail. Under the post detail, You can also add the URLs in bulk using a CSV file, and then you can track the campaign by clicking on View Insight. For example, this is the campaign of Lakme. Here you can see the number of creators and the number of posts. If you input the cost, you can get the cost per view and cost per reach. Then here you can see how each type of post is performing in terms of its reach and impression. Then here you can track the engagement rate and reach over time. What also we provide white label platform where we brand the platform with your logo and also map the platform to your company's domain. So if your company name is abc.com, instead of insight.valetech.com, this address will be insight.abc.com. In that case, you can share your branded link for sharing campaign and creator insight directly. You can also make login for your customer so they can use the platform directly if you want. Then let me take you to the audience of the campaign. Here you can see the demographics of the audience that has engaged with the campaign, that is likers and commenters. You can see the gender split of the audience, age group split, top comments and the city distributions. You can also see the list of all the posts along with the matrix if you want to compare or rank which post is doing better. Then let me take to a feature called collection. All you have to do is to create a collection, add the post URL, and once done you can access your collection folder. Let me show one example. So this is a better way of sharing data with your customer than sharing an Excel file as many companies do. If you want to share the list of creator to any brand or your client, you can add those creator to a collection and share the collection link. This way, the data is easily accessible to any device in a visual form and is always updated. It is the visual representation of the creator with statistic and detailed insight. So this is the grid view. Let me show the list view also. And this is the shareable link that will also be branded for you. In that case, you opt for white label platform. Then let us go to link tracking tab. This feature helps you to create tracking links to track click details for any particular link. If you want to see how many clicks your particular influencer has driven, you can create a tracking link for any URL and provide this tracking link to the creator. Then you can access detailed insight for that link, such as total clicks, total unique clicks, city from these came from, country, device distribution, platform distribution, and then you can see date-wise data on which date how many clicks have been received. In addition, we also have Shopify app which can track sales driven by any influencer on a Shopify store. Hence, using that feature, you can also track how much dollar sales any influencer is driving on a store. This is how Ylytic can help you with data and insight across your complete influencer campaign cycle, from finding creator to selecting the right one by doing a deep dive insight into each of them, followed by campaign tracking and then link plus sales tracking, thereby helping you drive ROI for your client as well. If you like this demo and want to get on a call for live demo or have any question, please write us to at mradul@ylytic.com or use the link in description to book a quick call with our team.